Hey guys, I am here to show you one of our most popular skincare kits. It's called A New Beginning. It's great for all skin types. So the first step in this skincare kit is your skin-friendly cucumber, yum, cleanser. Cucumber cleanser, so good. Look how creamy that is. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna wet our face down and then use our awesome cucumber cleanser and wash our face. So you want to rub it in gently. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. Add a couple little drops of water to it so it emulsifies. It'll go on so smooth. Next is our exfoliating gel. Go with the pineapple and red wine exfoliating gel and have yourself a glass of wine while you're doing it. Heaven on earth. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Look how smooth and creamy that is. So good. So my face is still damp. Okay, you guys, this pineapple red wine, oh my gosh, this exfoliating gel smells so good. I really want a glass of wine right now. I do. Be right back. Okay, so I just got done washing my face and now it is time for my toner. This time I'm going to use my absolute favorite again, the Coconut Clarifying Tonic. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to put on my serum. So today we're going to be using Ceramide Hydrating Complex Serum. You guys, look at this. Okay, so you're going to rub it in gently. And you always want to rub up. Remember not to pull down on your skin. And don't forget your neck. Okay, so today we're going to use the Majik Coconut Revival Cream. This is so creamy. Like, look at that. That is so good. Oh, I love it. Heaven on earth. How did I get so lucky? What did I do to be able to pamper myself like this? Crazy, just crazy. Okay, I hope you guys had a great time with me in my bathroom. Going through my skincare routine. You can pick all these products up in one click. It's the New Beginning skincare kit from Garden of Wisdom. I mean, it's all right there. It's all right there for you, all in one spot. Under 30 bucks and you get the whole thing. Okay, so today we cleansed with our skin-friendly cucumber cleanser, exfoliated with our pineapple and red wine exfoliating gel that smells like red wine. It's so good. Our toner, we use Coconut Clarifying Tonic. Again, one of my absolute all-time favorites for everyone, every day. And the serum that we use today is the Ceramide Hydrating Complex Serum. And then finally, we moisturized with our Majik Coconut Revival Cream. Fluffy heaven.